but key science questions surrounding Mars still remain. Was there ever life on Mars, and is there still life on Mars today? NASA's Mars 2020 mission is a continuation of its Mars exploration program, which includes a rover, Perseverance, and a helicopter, Ingenuity. The program is designed to seek signs of life, with the new rover contributing by looking for habitability, seeking biosignatures, and caching samples. Perseverance is based on the very successful Curiosity rover, but with some improvements and new science capabilities. It's designed to last only one Martian year, but like its predecessor, it may well last for years to come. When the rover begins its descent towards Jezero crater on the 18th of February 2021, new cameras will record the parachute opening and the complex sky crane landing process. Scientists will this time be able to see how the technology held up and if it all went to plan. The rover will also have improved wheels and 2 microphones. Microphones have previously been sent to Mars, but none have ended up being functional. NASA hopes to record the sounds during the landing, and if the microphones survive to the surface, we may even get to hear what a day on Mars sounds like. The rover is also equipped with a robotic arm with a drill, which will take samples of rock cores, analyze their composition, and store them in tubes on the surface to be collected and returned to Earth in a future mission. Perseverance is also tasked with preparing for humans by trialling technology necessary for future human exploration. It will use an instrument called MOXIE to try and create oxygen from the planet's thin carbon dioxide atmosphere. But it isn't just NASA sending new missions to Mars. The Red Planet is getting robotic visitors from around the world in the next few years. 2022 sees the joint European Space Agency and Russia mission, ExoMars, launch its Rosalind Franklin rover. Although only a third of the size of Perseverance, this rover will carry a 2-meter drill to take samples from below the Martian surface and search for signs of life. You may wonder why 2 seemingly similar rovers are heading to Mars to search for the same thing. But even though they're rovers, so they are designed to move, they don't travel very far. In Curiosity's 7.5 years, it has only driven 23 kilometers. If we're going to find microscopic life, we're going to need our rovers in different places to cover more area. The limited range of robotic exploration is argument for human missions to Mars. A person on the surface can quickly identify areas of interest and make split-second decisions. These human missions are being planned though. As part of NASA's Moon to Mars program, after sending a crewed mission back to the Moon in 2024, NASA planned to send the first human missions to Mars as early as 2030. After one failed attempt at launching an orbiter, Japan will try for Mars again in 2022, sending the Mars Terahertz microsatellite, with the goal of understanding the carbon dioxide resupply process of the Martian atmosphere. India too is sending another orbiter in 2024, but this may be upgraded to include a lander and even possibly a rover. Finally, Japan want to go one step further and send a probe to take return samples from Mars's largest moon, Phobos, and then do a flyby of its other moon, Deimos. Although we've been exploring Mars for over half a century, with so much new technology and future missions planned, I think we're just getting started.